I'm recording the video. If any problem, then you video. Okay. First question given. Give the rules of. So answer right on everyone. Some rules are below. First, a variable name. A variable name must start with. A variable name must start with an alphabet, or
This is in page number 137.
code. Alphabet and underscore.
Sir, alpha.
Okay, first point, a variable name must start with an alphabet or underscore. I think written. Second point, a variable name may have digits, but without violating the first rule. But without violating the first rule.
Sir, without.
Without violating the first rule. Written.
Yes, sir.
Third point. No special character. No special character other than underscore. No special character other than underscore is allowed in a variable name. A variable name. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next point. A variable can be of any length that is we can write as many characters as we want, but without violating but without violating any of the above rules, but without violating any of the above rules, written.
Yes, sir.
cannot be used cannot be used as valid variable name, cannot be valid variable I written. All of you written. Next,
Sir, your voice
use
not coming clear.
network problem student. Use of capitalized letters. Use of capital letters as well as small letters is allowed in a variable name. In a variable name, but they will be treated as different, but they will be treated as different. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, full stop. For example, num start with capital letter N, capital U small, M small, comma. Again write num N small, U small, and M small, and num write in capital letter N, capital U, capital M, capital. Written? Are three different variables are three different variables are three different variables because of the sensitive of the case sensitive because of the case sensitive. Written?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion here?
No, sir.
Give features which make Python a unique programming language. Unique programming language. All of you ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Second answer, page number 147. Second answer. Here question is given, give features which make Python a unique programming language. Write down answer. Python is a dynamic Python is a dynamic Python is a dynamic high level free open source source and interpreted programming language and interpreted programming language. And interpreted programming language written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it supports object oriented programming, object oriented programming as well as procedural oriented programming. Procedural oriented programming. Answer is written.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Student, answer written.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
third
as
answer.
well as sir, as
Sir,
well
I
as
wrote it myself.
Procedural oriented programming. Okay.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Write a short note on Python's a calculator. Write down answer. Python shell is an interpreter. Python shell is an Python shell is the interpreter that executes your Python programs. That executes your Python programs. I think written.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, Python calculator is given. Python calculator. Written. Right.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
We can.
Sir, next.
Yes. Python calculator. Write down. We can create a simple calculator. We can create a simple calculator for for performing performing the different arithmetical operation, different arithmetical operation, comma, addition, comma addition,
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division.
Divisor.
Yes, sir.
Any, any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Next question. Explain. We can work on Python. Explain two modes in which we can work in Python. So all of you know the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many modes in Python?
Two, sir.
Two more.
Two
Interactive mode and script mode.
Interactive mode and script mode.
Interactive mode.
Yes. Open page number 134. Open page number 134.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right answer. Python shell can be used. Python shell can be used in two modes. In two modes. First, in mode. Mode. First, interactive mode. Second, script mode. I think written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write about interactive mode. In this mode, comma, the instruction is executed immediately. The instruction is executed immediately and the output appears in the cell window and output appears in the cell window.
Sir, written.
Full stop. This is also called interpreter mode. This is also called interpreter mode. Okay. Next,
Okay.
script mode. Script mode. In this mode, instead of writing one statement, instead of writing one statement, and looking for its execution, comma, we write the whole program. We write the whole program in one go. And execute the entire program as a single entity. I think written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Open next question number. Discuss the various separators used in print function in Python.
Sir, page number 143 and 144.
Yes, answer is
Yes, sir.
page number 144. Three separator givens,
Yes, sir.
comma
Yes, sir.
separator,
Tab
tab
separator
separator.
and new line
And
separator.
new line separator.
Yes, everyone write now from this page number, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,